Welcome back, guys. All right. I'm gonna prepare the salmon now, right? I'm gonna cut it up, season it, show you how I prepare it. So just stay tuned. After the break, I'll show you what's up. All right, guys. I'm gonna now go ahead and prepare the salmon. So at first, I'm gonna slice it in some cubes, right? Like some nice cube-sized serving. So I'm slicing straight down the middle to just get it in two pieces. Right? And then I'm gonna like slice it in servings, right? So this would be one serving, right? So slice it like that. Okay. All right. After I finish cutting up the salmon fillet in servings, I'm gonna now go ahead and do my seasoning. All right. Actually, I didn't get to catch the supermarket in time before it's closed yesterday because I went to work, right? So I didn't get to grab like stuff I really need. Like I wanted a honey garlic sauce, a Diana honey garlic sauce, but I didn't get it, right? Because the supermarket was closed, right? So I just go ahead and find a convenience store and buy a bottle of honey instead. So we're gonna try a different thing today, right? We're gonna do it a different way, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, put some Maggi all-purpose. Maggi all-purpose, alright, and we're gonna use some grounded black pepper, alright, green seasoning, some Diana barbecue sauce, a little bit of honey, and we're gonna use a little of the Maggi soy sauce, right? Just to give it a little flavor and add a little tone to it. So I'm gonna now go ahead and rub that in, rub in the season. Alright. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit before I put it into the oven. Okay, so that's it. Alright guys, I'm now gonna go ahead and put the salmon in the oven to bake. So we're now gonna go and put the salmon in to bake and then check back later on it, right? Alright guys, my turkey and my salmon is ready now, right? Looking great, look at it, whoa. Yo, the color and the texture is perfect, right? Yeah. Dinner is served. Alright, I'm gonna show the end result. Okay guys, this is the end result. Looking real good, look at it. Wow, I wish you guys could taste this right now. See? That's the turkey right there. That's the beef, and that's the salmon, right? And we're serving it with mashed potatoes, stir-fried veg, and rice and peas. You should try it. It's real good. Trust me.